Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to break down for you how you can assign tasks to team members in the ClickUp CRM and project management application. So we're inside my account here on ClickUp. So what you want to do, guys, is select the space you would like to work on here. Select the list for the associated space. And after that, choose a task from that list here. I have created this test task for demonstration purposes. You can create your own customized tasks by clicking on add task here. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do that from scratch because we already explained that in a different tutorial video, so you can head over to that video and watch it anytime if you like. So once you have created your task here in your list, guys, simply left click on it. And now, guys, you have two different options. You can either share the given task via social media or direct messaging services with people or your audience by simply clicking on share here, or alternately, and this is my preferred option, you can assign task members as assignees. You can do that by simply clicking on assignees here and by entering the email address of the contact or user you would like to invite to the given task. And that's basically it. After that, click on that button here and your invited team member or user will receive an invitation, and he or she can either accept or decline it. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.